Hey there, y'all. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright, guys. So we do have some more August BoxyCharm pop-up spoilers to reveal. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button to make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on those spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup-related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now, let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing a possible future BoxyCharm spoiler. Well, thank you so much. Amy, is it McCrowski? I hope I said that right. I probably said it wrong, and if I did, Amy, I'm so sorry. I do apologize. Anyways, Amy says, love your videos. Take care. Well, thank you so much, Amy. That makes me feel so good knowing that at least somebody's enjoying my videos. And I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. If you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. During that time, you're going to see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now. So let's go ahead and do that. Welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, guys, these are some more pop-up spoilers for BoxyCharm's August subscription. Now there are usually too many of them to name during these pop-ups, so I'm just going to kind of throw them up here on the screen to let y'all see everything. Now some of these we've already revealed. I've already done a couple videos doing the reveals on these. I'm so sorry about Aukie in the background, I swear. He's just got to make noise all the time. What, y'all? I'm telling you, it's a mess. He gets in through the washer and dryer room. He gets in through the washer and dryer room, and then he's just got to be on camera, whether I'm filming myself or else doing a voiceover. He's just got to be in it. Anyways, guys, I have done a couple more videos showing some pop-up spoilers, so they're in here as well. I'll try to put the newer ones at the end of the video or after the ones that we've already seen. Now, if this is all the spoilers, I have no idea. There's probably going to be even more pop-up spoilers than this. So, of course, as soon as they reveal those, I'll let you guys know. You know I keep you in the loop.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check him out. Now, guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in the last video. Thank you so much, Chastity Nally. Chastity says, hello, beautiful. Love your videos. Well, Chastity, honey, thank you so much. I love that you love the videos, and I'm going to keep doing them as long as I can, well, do anything. And Chastity, I really appreciate you coming by and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. Guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out, and guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept gifts, so you got to take it. So go down there and hit that button. then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.